Hi guys, my name is Diane, and today I'll be sharing how I clean the most soiled laundry loads in my house, which is my husband's clothes and my baby's clothes. So my favorite laundry hack are these mesh bags, and we use them mostly for socks and other items we don't want getting lost or ruined in the washer and dryer. For the price, which is about $2, the quality is amazing. The fabric softener I use, at least one of them anyway, is the Downy Odor Protect. I use this one mostly for my husband's clothes since he constantly works out and the smell isn't super floral like a lot of other fabric softeners. It really helps getting those musty smells out of his clothes and uniforms. I usually always pre-soak his laundry, just to make sure all the dirt from him being in the field, the range, or whatever he had to do easily comes off as his clothes during the wash cycle. While his clothes are in the wash, I grab my girls' clothes from the dryer and I get to work on folding them. Luckily, my girls' clothes aren't super gross majority of the time, so I usually wash their clothes together. Here we're just separating them, and as you can already tell, like it's a family thing, I guess. Everyone wants to help. My oldest loves to fold her own clothes, especially when she's using the Flipfold Folding board. I'll provide the link below, but yeah, it's so easy and fun for her to use. I kid you not, even my 3-year-old wants to help. Well, not right now, since Dora is on TV. So for her clothes, I usually just fold it myself without the folding board, since her clothes are still a little bit too small, even for the smallest size board. So once my husband's clothes are done, I stick them in the dryer, and I use these wool balls for reducing the dry time. They're about $4 or $5 at Walmart, and they come in a pack of 2. I bought like 3 of these, and I think they make a difference. Now, while that load is drying, I pre-treat all the stains on my son's clothes. I wet the spot, and must I say that I love this washing machine because it comes in with the built-in faucet. And I use this laundry bar called Fels Naptha into it. And I seriously love this stuff. It's so cheap. It's only about $1 at Walmart, and it really works wonders. So for those really tough stains, I use this Oxiclean Max Force spray and spray it all over the nasty stains. This one is so gross. I forgot to pre-treat it right away so the stain dried up. So yeah, I guarantee you with this spray, it'll come right off. And I like to rub it with the Fels Naptha as well, just to get a little extra cleaning power. I swear Oxiclean is my best friend when it comes to laundry. I love using this stuff. I use it practically in every load. So this is totally optional, but I grate a little bit of Fels Naptha into the load. It's really just me being extra, to be honest. For the fabric softener, I use this Snuggle Exhilarations in Lavender and Vanilla Orchid. It's my favorite scent, and for me, the scent really does last wash to wash. And there you go. It's like that poopy explosion never happened. And then the same thing goes for this onesie. Like it was covered in nothing but baby food. And this is how I usually handle all the dirty loads. How do you handle yours? What products do you use? Do you guys recommend any natural ones? Comment down below. I'd love to know what you guys use and everything. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and subscribe for more, and don't forget to hit that notification button.